So we put the road armor bed rack on. We went to full size because we like carrying the tent. We don't carry it all the time. We like to have it when we exhibit the vehicle, but like down at S'more in the spring, I stayed up there.
Yeah.
And it was a pretty comfortable place to stay. You're off the ground. You don't have the dew in the morning.
Right.
And that thing is really space. It's got a lot of room in it.
It does.
And it's really comfortable.
It's an ARB tent. We chose ARB because, really overlanding all goes back to Australia. And ARB is one of the parenting companies from Australia. Overlanding has been going on down there for a long time. They probably call it something different, like walkabout or something like that, right? But they're the innovators of this entire concept. And down there you're dealing with an area where they put it in four-wheel drive to go check their mail.
Yeah.
So when they're going out camping, they're really getting back there. Being up off the ground keeps you dry, keeps the animals, keeps the dingoes out.
Snakes.
It's all out of the way. And they deal with the extreme weather conditions extremely well.
You get a lot of ventilation up there if you want it, and then it has a
do.
lot of different functionality where you can close and open, and
Right.
depending on the weather conditions.
Yeah, the way that you've got the rain flaps over the windows that you can open and close, and you can push out with the little spring bars. It does have 4 windows that are pretty large, so you get a good breeze going through there if you need it. Plus, it has the additional the Annex down below, which allows you to stand up and get dressed or whatever you need to do without feeling like you're ducking in a tent all day, which is also a nice feature.
Yeah.
The nicest thing about the ARB tent is how easy it opens and closes. It's a few minutes.
Well, you can keep all your gear in there, your blankets and pillows and stuff. If you're using it
Absolutely.
often, you just kind of lay them flat, fold it up, put the cover on,
Fold it up, put the
cinch
cover
it down, and head on down the road.
That's it, and the whole thing attaches to the rack with 4 bolts. That's it.
Really slick system.
Quick, easy, off, on, safe, protected, dry. How much better does it get than that?